Okay, so what we got here is a Harbor Breeze Builder's Best ceiling fan. Got this from my uncle's house for free back in late 2021 or early 2022. It's my second Builder's Best. I have a brass one over here, and then I have this Ellington. But yeah. Light kit isn't original, it came off one of these two Caleros. So yeah, I have a lot of Harbor Breeze Builder fans and stuff like that. Here's the light. Here's low speed. Capacitor values aren't correct, so it's a little slower on low and medium, but it's really fast on high speed. The light kit obviously isn't original. It came with like a 4-arm loopy light kit, but that broke, so I got rid of it in like 2024. But yeah. Get another angle of it. It's late at night, so I'm sorry if I sound tired. But yeah. Yeah. This fan has been in a couple rooms. It's been in my old bedroom, then I moved it to the kitchen, and then I moved it to the living room, and then I moved it briefly into my my bedroom, again, my new bedroom, but I took it down to put up the brass Builder's Best. But yeah. Since there's no real change from medium to low, or I'll just turn it to high. It's pretty fast. Does a really good job of moving the air. Once I find a better light kit for it, I'll happily put it in my living room again. Although the fan chain's a little wonky, so I'd have to fix that. It's moving a really good amount of air. The bearings aren't that bad either. But yeah. There's the light. And there's the fan. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.